Do you want to know how you can log into your Coastal Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Coastal Payroll account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the search bar and search for Coastal Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this page of Coastal Payroll. Or else you can go to this page, which is the official page of Coastal Payroll. You can see that this is the official page, so you can see client login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this side. Scroll a bit down and you can see payroll over here. Click on this I solved option over here and it will take you to the official login portal of Coastal Payroll. The first step over here is to write down your username or your email address. After you write down your username or email address, go ahead and click Next. Then write down your password which is associated with your Coastal Payroll account and make sure to check it by clicking on this icon over here. And the third step is to click Login. And there you go. You have successfully logged into your Coastal Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to recover your password. So guys, this is it for today. I hope this video about how you can log into your Coastal Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.